Welcome friends to lesson 19, Learning is Ndebele. Right, we are continuing with our vocabulary. Remember, I want you to try and memorize these words. I'm looking at few vocabularies at a time so that you can be able to practice them and apply them. Okay, very soon we're going to be creating sentences. So I need you to know these words that I'm talking about. They are basic. They're the most basic words that will get you by as you interact with people, you know. And so we spoke of words of greetings previously and so forth. And so I'd hinted that we're going to start with words that mean the same as what we've referred to before, like good day. Good day is the same as good afternoon, good evening, and so forth. So good day is still, it's ilanga elihle. Have a good day. Ube lelanga elihle. Okay? So you see, good day is different from good afternoon in a way, in terms of how you apply it. Although in English, you can greet somebody saying good day, especially in formal correspondence like in emails and so forth. You can also say have a good day, wishing somebody a good day. So mostly in Ndebele, the good day part now is used as the wishing a good day. Ube lelanga okay? Or just langelihle. Although the word langelihle, langa elihle, is actually now commonly used as a name of somebody. We do have some people called or named langelihle, which is a combination or a compound word of two words, langa, ilanga, elihle. Elihle being nice or good, ilanga being the day taken from the sun. Ilanga is the sun, and so the day is named after the sun, just as the month is named after the moon. I'm sure you're going to get to understand all these things, you know, the time in Ndebele and so forth, and how it relates with everything, even the names of the people. It's going to be interesting, all right? And then sleep well is the same as good night in terms of usage. So ulale kahle or lilale kahle. But people generally say lilale, okay? As if to say sleep or make sure you sleep. But when somebody says lilale, they are not suggesting that you are not intending to sleep. They are actually saying lilale kahle. And you will notice in every instance that I'm using the word kahle, like lilale kahle or lichone kahle, muswere zvakanaka, lilale kahle, murare zvakanaka, sleep well. You can actually use the word or the lexical variant kuhle. Kuhle, right? So again, you will find that there are challenges, just like in va. There are also challenges that people face in articulating the sound ga, which is ka. Okay, so gahle, kuhle is basically the same thing. Kuhle means well or nicely or good. Okay, so some people just prefer to say gahle, while some prefer to say kuhle, especially in the context of the usage that we are talking about. And then, good luck. Good luck. Ngikufisela inhlanhla. Ngikufisela inhlanhla. Ngikufisela means I wish you. Ukufisa is to wish. Ukufisa. So it's not to kill, hey? Ukufa is to die. Okay? So ukufisa is not to kill or to make dead. It's to wish. I'm just trying to deconstruct some common errors that will apply or that will be used by many people. You will get to understand the different verbal extensions like isa, ela, and so forth, which help us to clarify different actions and so forth. All right. So here we're saying ngikufisela inhlanhla. Inhlanhla is luck. So that's good luck. I wish you good luck. Just like get well soon. Ngikufisela ukusila masinyane. Okay? Sila masinyane or pola masinyane. We will continue again with this vocabulary in different contexts before we then go on to look at our noun class system in isiNdebele. Practice. Remember, practice.